Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roosevelt's stash in Stalker 2. First, you'll need to head to the designated anomaly field. This area is known for its high mutant activity, so make sure your inventory is stocked with plenty of ammunition and medical kits. Being well prepared will significantly increase your chances of success and make the journey much smoother. Let's get started. Once you're in the anomaly field, careful navigation is key. Always use your detector to pinpoint safe passages and avoid dangerous anomalies. These can cause severe damage, so stay vigilant. Observe your surroundings for any subtle environmental cues that could guide you through the treacherous terrain. Patience and observation are your best tools here. After successfully navigating the anomalies, your next step is to locate the stash itself. Look for a distinctive landmark, such as a partially destroyed building or an unusual rock formation. The stash is usually concealed in a small, unassuming container nearby. Once you find it, simply interact to claim Roosevelt's valuable contents. It's often worth the effort. Congratulations, you've secured Roosevelt's stash. Inside, you'll typically find powerful artifacts, rare weapons, or a substantial amount of currency. These rewards can significantly boost your character's power and progression. Remember to evaluate your new loot. You might want to keep the best items and sell any duplicates or less useful gear for additional funds. Enjoy your spoils.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.